Hello, I'm Srishti, and it's been a long time. Today, I want to share my personal favorite granola recipe. Granolas are healthy for breakfast or light snacks, and I don't believe that granolas can ever go wrong. The process is really easy and the ingredients are not sophisticated, as you can always alter the ingredients according to your requirement. Here, I'm not adding any sugar to this recipe, but you can use sugar if you want to. Here, let me show you what I'll be using today. Oats, the main ingredient. I didn't have whole oats, so I use instant oats instead, and it doesn't really matter, to be honest. I think I took 1.5 cup of these, puffed rice 1 cup, beaten rice 1/2 cup, 8 teaspoons of honey, 4 teaspoons of chia seeds, which can be replaced by sesame seeds or flaxseed, whatever you like, some roasted chickpeas, some dried coconut and dried dates, 3 medium-sized walnuts, some almonds, cashews, and pistachios, and lastly, which is also one of the main ingredients, some raisins. Now, let's start by crushing the walnuts. Roughly chopping them. Doing the same for coconuts and dried dates. The dried dates were kind of too dried, so I crushed them and then chopped them. Then roughly chopped almonds, pistachios, and cashew. Heating up the pan in high heat. When the pan gets heated up, put on the oats. You will have to roast them for 2 to 3 minutes in high heat and do not stop stirring as it may burn your oats. Reduce it to low flame now and add beaten rice, maybe roast them for a couple of minutes. Then I'm adding puffed rice and again roast them for about a minute or 2. After roasting is done, put them aside for a while. Now in the same pan, I am adding honey, then roasted oats, beaten rice and puffed rice, and everything I have. The flame is still low. I'm mixing it all together so that the honey combines with everything. And this might take a while. After 2 to 3 minutes of mixing, I'm turning off the flame and I'm pouring everything into a bowl. And well, that is a granola. Looks really good, don't you think? And now, I think I will let it rest for a while. And for storage, I am using these airtight containers, which are really important because you don't want to have soggy granolas. And there you have it! Healthy homemade granola, which is really good. You can have them for breakfast with cold milk or warm milk, whatever you like, and also have them as a snack. I got 2 containers of these for me and my family, and I can store them for a week now. If you made it to this, thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.